Welcome back to my channel. In the playlist of how to be a vExpert, in last couple of videos, we looked at number one, how VMware vExpert program had profound impact on my career. And in the second video, we looked at what are the listed benefit of vExpert program. I'm Vikas Chitoli, staff engineer at VMware India R&D, and today I'm going to talk about what are the different platforms that I use to contribute to VMware vExpert program as a part of VMware community. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. So you could see here, the first platform that I use to contribute to VMware communities is VMTN communities. VMTN stands for VMware Technology Network. You can relate to VMware communities just like a Quora or Stack Overflow, where people will ask the question and community will answer those questions. In this case, the only difference will be this community will be very much limited to VMware products and technologies out there. So log into communities.vmware.com, have your account ready, and then you can join any of the communities out here across different focus areas that VMware has based on your expertise. And then people will ask the question and you can keep answering and you get the points. So this is the first platform I started using back in almost 8-9 years back. And if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend you start your contribution to VMware communities to be a vExpert from VMTN community. So this is a platform number one. So let's talk about the platform number two that I use. As you could see here, this is my personal blog site, vthinkbeyondvm.com. And the primary focus of my blog site is around vSphere SDKs and APIs, along with a little bit on vSphere with Tanju, the things that I work on day-to-day basis. You could also start your own blog site, either a free version or a paid version of the hosting, and start sharing your expertise through the blogging, your own blogging. And this is the second platform I use to contribute to VMware communities. And I could say that this is one of my primary platform where I contribute to VMware communities. Now let's talk about the platform number three. In my case, I use platform number three as a github.com. And as you could see here, there are multiple repositories that I have created, and many of them are associated with my blog site. So every time I blog something on particular REST API or SOAP-based API around vSphere, there is some script associated with that blog post that I first submit into github.com into one of the repositories and then publish my blog post. So in your case also, you can do that, or you can simply contribute directly into github.com as your scripts, as well as you can also refer some of the other projects out there and contribute to them. Those should be around VMware. Or you can start your tooling development, or you can do some open source projects into github.com around VMware technologies, and that also will be considered for vExpert program. So this is the platform number three, github.com. So the platform number four is VMware Sample Exchange, as you could see here. And this is accessible from developer.vmware.com. So this is a place where you can contribute all your scripts around CLI or any platform out there. You could see here there are multiple SDKs platform tooling across different focus areas of VMware, such as app modernization, cloud management, or compute virtualization, and so on. And you can choose the choice of your own language that based on your expertise and contribute samples for any APIs or any scripting that as well. In fact, you can also connect this platform with the earlier platform that I talked about, which is a github.com. In my case, what I have done is that I have connected my platform number two, which is a blogging. So anytime I blog around some REST API or SOAP-based API, first that goes into github.com, then I go back and blog about it. And third thing that I do is I have connected the github.com repositories to VMware Sample Exchange also, so that I can import those samples back into this platform. So this is another platform you can also use to contribute to VMware communities. And again, as I said, You don't need to have a blog. So blogging can go independently. GitHub.com based projects can go independently, and you can also independently contribute to VMware Sample Exchange. But it is always better to have some alignment either between a couple of those platforms. This is my fourth platform, which is VMware Sample Exchange. Now let's spend some time on the platform number 5, which is VMware Flings. VMware Flings is nothing but some unofficial releases from VMware around some particular functionality that is not officially offered by official VMware products out there. So you could see here, there are a couple of utilities that I was part of, such as cross vCenter workload migration utility, as well as another Fling I was part of, which is a cluster rules manager. Only catch with these VMware Flings is that the only contributor to this Flings should be VMware people. So if you are from VMware and you want to be a vExpert, then VMware Flings is one of the great platform that will be considered for vExpert program. So this is a platform number 5 that I use in order to contribute to VMware communities. The next platform that I would like to share with you is VMware user groups. There are multiple local VMUG groups out there. When it comes to India, we have VMUG Bangalore, VMUG Pune, VMUG Mumbai, and there are multiple other cities in India have their VMUG chapters. So you can join those local communities and find opportunity to share your expertise with that local community. So here you could see that in the past I had done a presentation at VMUG in Bangalore as well as VMUG Pune. Apart from VMUG, another platform where you can contribute your expertise is around VMworld. It could be VMworld US, it could be VMworld Barcelona, and now good news is that VMworld is now VMware Explore, and it is expanded to multiple other cities such as VM Explore Mumbai, Singapore, Japan, Brazil. So many other places also it's expanded. So you can find opportunity to share your expertise as a speaker, and it need not to be just a VMUG or a VMworld as a platform. It can be any other platform such as vBrownBag, where it is only condition is that it needs to be around VMware technology. So this is another platform that I personally use to contribute to VMware communities. Here is another exciting platform that I have lately started contributing to, which is YouTube, where I'm creating multiple videos around VMware technologies. And lastly, I want to associate this channel with my personal blog site, which is vthinkbeyondvm.com. So you can also produce some video content around your own expertise. Apart from all these platforms, I use LinkedIn as well as Twitter as my primary way of communication around VMware communities. So these are the different platforms I use in order to contribute to VMware communities. And I hope that this video was very useful. And if this is something useful to you, please share with somebody who will be benefited out of this. And if you want to see more of such videos, then I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.